हेलो।
हेलो। क्या हाल?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
I'm okay. How have you been and where
So
are you?
lovely to
Mumbai या
glowing.
Jalandhar? Oh.
I'm in Bombay.
So आप बताओ, how have the last 2 months been for you?
So it's been great, to be very honest. I have not stayed at home so much since the time I started working. Touch wood, I've been constantly on the run and just been doing something. And even for the past 2 years, there were some things constantly, it required me to travel and all that. So it's nice. I'm spending a lot of time with my mother. My sister recently got married.
Oh,
So, yes,
congratulations.
thank you. Thank you. She got married in January. So she is at her house in Bombay only.
Oh,
And
that's good.
so it's just me and my mother now. So I'm helping her with a lot of things. मुझे एक चीज समझ आ गई इन 2 महीने में कि घर पे बहुत काम होता है, बहुत ज्यादा काम होता है यार। मतलब मेरा बस चले मैं गैस के ऊपर से खाना खाना शुरू कर दूं।
Have you started cooking?
No, I've not started cooking. So my mother's cooking. I'm very bad at cooking, but I help her with all the other things. I do the dishes, I clean, I chop vegetables and all that for her. So everything. So I prepare everything and then she just cooks. So yeah, because if I start making food and उनको अपने हाथ का खाना खिलाने लग जाऊंगा, तो फिर मुझे लग रहा है वो गलत हो जाएगा. तो वो नहीं करता. But apart from that, I'm doing mostly everything of the household work, and I'm helping her with everything. So it's nice. But it's a good feeling.
But also, the thing is, it's given us that time to spend with each other and our loved ones. But वो थोड़ी बहुत uncertainty भी है. जैसे आपकी industry को भी लेके, are you also feeling it or are you positive everything will be okay? The good positive.
I am good positive, to be very honest. I just wish everything, the entire outbreak to just get over and, people resume back with their lives, because like it's for every industry, I think for every industry, Poojaji, that, there's a lot of people are going through, and I mean, blessed are those who have certain amount of savings, who have the sustainability power, but there are also people who do not have those things and those luxuries, and so it's very challenging. It's very tough for them also. So I just want everything to get back to normal, and life just comes back to normal, because everything is on a standstill right now.
Which is true. But do you realize we are all consuming content? They said during times like this, it's the artist and his art that's actually keeping us sane.
Absolutely. No, even I've been, to be very honest, I've been exploring a lot of different languages, content. So there's a lot of Korean content I've been watching.
I watch
There's
a lot of that.
Yeah, so there's a lot of, I've been watching some Hebrew stuff, and I'm not watching it in English audio. I'm watching it in the original and just with the help of the subtitles.
You understand the language also then?
Yeah, I think now, I mean, when before I read something like a thank you in a particular language or a sorry in a particular language, I know what he's going to say.
Yeah.
It just kind of comes. So it's just very interesting. But yeah, I mean, I've been binge watching stuff. Like, to be very honest, my sleep cycle's completely screwed. It's completely screwed. So the entire day I'm doing something, I'm working, I'm doing something, collective meetings with my team or something or the other sorts that it's going on. It's only at 12 o'clock in the night, I switch on my TV and I keep watching it till like 5, 6 in the morning.
Arre Baba. But you also had a movie release happening now, Rui Afzal. Are you okay with movies coming on digital, or do you feel that the theatrical experience is something that the audience and the actor deserves?
I particularly feel, I think it is obviously the magic and the charm of, I mean, if there's a film which is being made for a theatrical release, or the charm of watching it in a cinema with so many other people, it's a very totally different, the rush that you get, the feeling that is there. But also at the same time, I mean, the times that, unfortunately that we are in, and, everyone is stuck, some films coming on digital platform also is just, I mean, the producers also have to, it has to be viable, and it has to kind of, no one should lose money, or, it shouldn't be a dent on any particular person, whether it's a producer or any studio for that matter. So, I mean, if people can wait, it'll be great. And if it is going to that verge that will dent a particular project, so, I mean, then it goes on digital. So it's a fair thing, because no one expected, such a thing, scenario to kind of occur and to kind of take place. So, yeah.
Which is true. And also the thing is, I'm glad I'm speaking to you. हम लोग खानदानी शफाखाना के टाइम मिले थे. उसके बाद छिछोरे आई with a movie that I absolutely loved and that we all gave a standing ovation. I mean, it was a class apart, that film. So I actually want to speak to you about your experience. Could you relate to your character because he was the most endearing?
Oh, sweet, thank you. To be very honest, Pooja ji, so I wasn't the sex of my group. I had some other sexa in my group, and I've studied in a boarding school. So I've studied in a boarding school. I have lived that life, and even then, I've got an experience of a boarding school as well as a day school. You know, I mean, so I was in Lawrence School, Sanar, for a few years. Then I was back home in Jalandhar in APJ school. So I've had the share of both the worlds, and it is the same. It is just that in a boarding school, people get the entire day to themselves amongst friends and they do all the mischief things and all that. Out there in the day school, it is just that during the particular hours that you are allowed to meet and you're not allowed to be together is that. But I wasn't the sex of my group. So I had another different sexa of our group who was there and, who used to be the naughty one. And but to be Chichore for me, it's just been a beautiful journey. I mean, I feel so blessed that, I debuted with Fukre and the franchise became so beautifully accepted by the audience. And then after that, Chichore, again, so I tell my mother, I say, Mummy, I think you'll be the only mother who's very proud that your son is also a Fukra and also a Chichora.
Which is true, but a great way to be. But you do realize you make us all smile. It's just that the characters you played, that anyone who sees you will automatically smile. Even if, and that's really nice because you need people who can make you smile. And you're happy in that zone, aren't you? Though I
am very happy. A lot of times people keep telling me, or I get this thing, yaar, why, you don't do this thing, comedy, you'll get typecasted and, it'll be a particular genre only that you'll be stuck in. But to be very honest, I love making people smile. I love making them laugh. And I never thought, Poojaji, that I would be able to make people smile or I can make anyone laugh. Because when I used to do theatre, I used to do like hardcore plays. मैं मतलब अश्वत्थामा, ये धनुष है मेरा, धनुष अश्वत्थामा का, अंधा युग और एंटन चेकव जी के प्लेस वैसे सब करता था. मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं किसी को हंसा सकता हूँ. It was only with Fukre, once I went to a theatre and I saw people's reaction, and that's the time it got me that, yeah, I can make someone smile, I can make someone laugh. And it is just so good to see people smiling, so good to see people laughing. And even when I'm at an event or if I meet some person who I don't know, like a new person that I meet, there's automatically a smile that is there on their faces, and with the grace of God, I was telling my mother also, I think, Mama, it's a blessing. And, my mother also keeps saying that it's a blessing that if someone sees you and they smile at you without even saying anything. So I love the genre. I love making people smile, and comedy is something which is beautiful. We all love to watch. So this is one genre that I'll continue working in, and I hope that I can keep making people laugh and smile. But at the same time, as an actor, you want to try different genres, so that will also happen with time.
I'm sure आप बैडमैन प्ले करोगे ऑटोमेटिकली हम सबकी हंसी निकल जाएगी.
फिर तो मैंने गलत परफॉर्म करूंगा ना.
नहीं. You just make us happy. So someone asked me to ask you, in this lockdown, अगर अपने दो कैरेक्टर्स के साथ आपको बोला जाता आइसोलेट करने के लिए, फुकरा वाला या गुरमीत ढिलन ऑफ चिचोरा, किसके साथ आप आइसोलेट करते?
मैं नहीं बता सकता. मेरे लिए दोनों ही बहुत ज्यादा करीब है. मैं दोनों के साथ करता. मैं दिन में चूचा होता, रात को सेक्स था. So no, I mean, but I think दोनों के साथ. See, Chucha for me is always going to be very, very special, and it is one of the most special characters for me because that is one character that I've debuted with. As a child, when I saw this dream of getting into acting and becoming an actor, it was with Fukre, it was with Chucha that, it got translated and, it got converted that I could actually see myself on screen. So that's the first character that I've ever played. So that one is always going to be very, very special for me, and it's always going to be very dear to me. So I can't wait this thing for Fukre 3 to happen and get back into Chucha.
But people don't realize that people who make you laugh, who are so funny, have their own stories. आपको मेरी वाली बीमारी आप सोचते बहुत हो, और आपने स्ट्रगल भी बहुत किया है. तो कुछ बता, because everybody thinks like, oh, he laughs, मस्त मौला है, but no one knows the back story.
So it's been a very turbulent journey, to be very honest. It's been a beautiful journey. And so I hail from Jalandhar, Pooja ji, as you know. My mother's an artist. She was heading the Department of Fine Arts in one of the oldest colleges in my hometown, which is Jalandhar. And so I got this dream of getting into acting, watching Bazigar. ये काली काली आंखें गाना चल रहा था, मैं तोतला बोलता था उस टाइम पे. तो मैं बेड पे खड़े होके ये ताली ताली आंखें, ये दोए दाल. आई वेंट टू माय मदर, आई सेड मम्मी मुझे बड़े होके एक्टर बनना है. तो मम्मी कहती चलो, लाइक एनी पंजाबी मदर वुड से, बेटा पहले खाना खा लो, बाद में बात करते हैं. But that just stayed with me, and then that whole journey kind of started happening. Then in Chandigarh, there's an institute called ITFT, Institute of Technology and Future Management Trends. So they were having a graduation degree of bachelor's in media entertainment and film technology. So I told my mother after +2, I was like, Mama, I really want to get into acting. So she really supported me. And we have no background or no one related into the entertainment industry from whom we could take guidance. So we had no one. So my mother is like, okay, if you want to do, just do it very passionately and do it with full heart and go for it. I went, I studied, I did my whole graduation. Then I came to Bombay. I thought for my on-the-job training, internship, I thought closest to acting is casting. So I started assisting in casting. I worked on films like Talash, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu, Reluctant Fundamentalist. So I used to take auditions. I used to work with Nandri Shrikant ji. She's a casting director. So I used to take auditions. और मैं अपने ऑडिशन साइड बाय साइड देके जाता था. तो मैं इधर उधर भागता था, ऑडिशन देता था, रिजेक्ट हो जाता था, नॉट फिट करते रहते थे. तो
सॉटी का भी दिया था आपने ऑडिशन? तो
हाँ जी. अरे वाह, दिया था, वहां पे भी सिलेक्ट हुआ था. तो उसके बाद मैं अपना ऑडिशन देता रहता था, उसे रिजेक्ट हो जाता था. Then obviously it was very frustrating at times. It was irritating, and there was my mother. I used to be backed by my mother financially. My mother used to support me and she used to send me money, because the rents and all, everything is very expensive in Bombay. So I used to live with my sister. So we used to stay in this in this 1 BHK, and we used to kind of keep giving auditions and stuff like that. And slowly, gradually, karte karate, then I got this one film in which I can't mention that film, wrong, but in this one film they said that आ जाओ आप फ्रेंड का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हो. मैंने कहा ठीक है. तो मैं बड़ा खुश हो गया. तो उन्होंने कहा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करना है. मैंने कहा ठीक है. तो मैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के लिए गया. तो उन्होंने एक पेज पे 6 लाइनें लिखी हुई थी. तो मैंने कहा सर, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो किताब होती है, पहले इनिशियल होते हैं, एंड में सिग्नेचर होता है, ये कौन सा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है जिसमें 6 लाइनें है? कहते यही है. सो आई साइंड इट. Then I went to shoot for that film, but I was actually like the background artist for that particular film. So I was misguided, I was mistold, but I enjoyed it. I mean, I thought, chalo, at least I'm getting to be on a film set. It'll be nice. And before that, when I was in Chandigarh, I used to be a runner, a production runner. So there was Mausam, which was being shot in Chandigarh that time. There's another Hollywood film called West is Best, Om Puri ji ki ek film. Yes. So मैं उस टाइम पे इधर से उधर मेन्यूज इकट्ठे करके देता था, ऑडिशंस लेने जाता था जो अपने वहाँ के लोग होते थे. I just used to be a runner. I just told them, I was like, I want to see how a film gets made, so that's what I want to do. Slowly करते कराते, then beautifully, with the grace of God, I gave Fukre ka auditions, and it was a long process of the audition. Then I cracked it, and then I just told my mother, I was like, Mama, that I watched this one film, and अपना Excel Entertainment की है, जिन्होंने दिल चाहता है, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, ये सारी बड़ी फिल्में बनाई है, Rock On, ये सारी बनाई है. And then Pooja ji, there was just a 1.5 minutes silence. My mother also didn't speak anything. I also didn't speak anything. That's the time I understood कि वो जो टर्म होती है ना, साइलेंस स्पीक्स अ लॉट इन इट्स ओन सेल्फ, मेरे को उस दिन समझ आया. मैंने कहा यार अच्छा, इसमें मतलब होता है कुछ. सो देन दैट हैपेंड, एंड देन वंस द फुकरे प्रीव्यू वाज हैपनिंग, द अपना वो जो प्रीमियर्स होते हैं, कुछ स्क्रीनिंग्स वर हैपनिंग. सो वी वर इन अ प्रीव्यू थिएटर. आई वाज सिटिंग इन द फर्स्ट रो. I was sitting, my mother was sitting, and my sister was sitting. So we were just holding hands, and the film got over. And so I asked my mother was crying, she really loved it. I asked my sister, she's like, how did you find it? So she said, she's like, Vishu, my nickname is Vishu. So she said that, Vishu, I have to see it again. It's a comedy film. It's a fun film. What is like? Did you not understand what is it? She's like, no. She's like, for the past, 2.5 hours, I was just so lost, and I was thinking that, we were sitting in the first row and the screen was here. She said, I was only thinking that from this till here has taken us so many years and so much of adventure. She's like, so much was going on in my head for the past 2 hours that I couldn't see the film. Then I
So relate to that.
deep baat bas di aapne, matlab sahi tha. So then she saw it again in a theater, and then she loved it. And then hota gaya करते
More power to you यार, चलते जाओ. It's really nice. But किसी ने ये सवाल पूछा, अगर आप एक्टर नहीं बनते तो क्या बनते किसी?
मैं सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, मेरे को ना और कुछ पता नहीं था, क्योंकि मैंने 12th करी. 12th के बाद मैंने ग्रेजुएशन फिल्म मेकिंग में करी, फिर मैंने आके ऑन द जॉब ट्रेनिंग कास्टिंग में करी. तो पूजा जी, मैं कुछ ना इसी इंडस्ट्री में कर रहा होता, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि मेरे को इसके अलावा कुछ मैंने सीखा नहीं, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज नहीं थी, और हमारा कोई ऐसा एस्टैब्लिश बिजनेस नहीं था जिसको मैं ज्वाइन कर लेता. तो मेरे पास और कुछ करने को पता नहीं था, नहीं, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. तो मैं इसी में कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा होता.
That was your destiny. अभी सोच क्या रहे हो? वैसे सोचने की आदत है आपको मेरी तरह, मैं भी सोचती रहती हूँ, मेरे को पता नहीं होता मैं सोच क्या रही हूँ.
मैं वही कहता हूँ, लोगों की हॉबी होती है सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, हमारी थिंकिंग है.
पर क्या सोचते हैं किसी को पता. It's amazing.
I mean, it just keeps I keep thinking only. And बीच में ना, I used to take out time. So now what is happening was that I used to take out time. एक हफ्ते में एक दिन निकाल लिया, 10 दिन में एक दिन निकाल लिया, कि यार मैं ना सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करूंगा और मैं खुद सोचूंगा कि सब
नहीं होती
सही
यार
है.
सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन.
तो अभी ना 2 महीने से घर पे हो, अब मैं सोचता हूँ अभी रुक जा, चल हफ्ते के बाद कर लूंगा, अभी 5 दिन के बाद कर लूंगा, कोई बात नहीं. नहीं होती, समझ नहीं आता क्या सोचा कुछ है. मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है, बट यार
काम चलता जा रहा है. But the one thing, I mean, what can you expect? I mean, sure you have releases. What are you looking forward to post lockdown? पहली चीज क्या करोगे?
To be very honest, once the entire outbreak gets over, I want to go and hug people.
अरे वो मना होगा for some time.
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ आउटब्रेक, लॉकडाउन नहीं, आउटब्रेक ही खत्म हो गया.
तो बस तुसी इंतजार कर लो
उसके बाद. But work front, I have Ruhi Afzana, which is there. We're very excited, so I'm looking forward to that. I was supposed to be in Punjab shooting for a film in March. So, we were just about to start off with that. So then obviously, I mean, we didn't go, and, everything got on hold only. So that's one film which is I'm going to start in after, I mean, whenever it's allowed to shoot and whenever it's easy and, it's safe to shoot, that's the time. And apart from that, yeah, there are a lot of development is happening, to be very honest, during this time. A lot of content is being written during this time. Do
you think it will change also our content abhi pictures mein? Before COVID तक, after COVID, do you think it will change because shootings are changing? वो mask पहन के ऐसे ना, वो सब mask पहन के पिक्चरें बनाए अब.
I think I don't know, change मेरे हिसाब से working wise change आएंगे. I think working wise there'll be a lot of change, and not only in entertainment, I think in every industry.
Yeah.
Like when I was chatting with one of my friends, back home, so they've been allowed by the government to work on a certain capacity. They're allowed to open the factories and stuff like that. Where a certain, I think 20% or 30% of things. So he was telling me, he's like, all the safety measures which they've been taking. He's like, bro, once everything settles, it's going to be a practice now for me. That this is the way even I would want to kind of keep working only now. It's always good. For us also, Pooja ji, to be very honest, before this, I mean, I'm assuming, it happens in a lot of families. कुछ भी सामान बाहर से आता था, हम पानी से निकाल के we used to just directly use it.
True.
We never used to kind of, clean it or dip it in soap water or something of that sort, or sanitize everything which is there and all that. This wasn't a practice. It must be there in very limited people, but majority-wise, it wasn't a practice. But I think now it's because these 2 months, we've been so used to doing these things. I just hope that it stays with people for a long time.
Very true.
And they keep it, because I was telling my mother, I think, Mummy, how, pehle fruits, we used to just dip it in water and just quickly eat it.
Which is true.
I mean, now when you think of it, because it was so normal that time. But now when you think of it, you're like, yeah, it's not correct. I mean, you shouldn't be doing that.
सही में.
So, वो नहीं करना चाहिए. But changes आएंगे. I think content-wise, I am hoping that a lot of comedy genre films will start coming in, because people really need to laugh, they really need to smile, they really need to
I
have
agree.
fun. So I'm hoping that a lot of that content gets made, and where people can just come together and just.
And with a
have
lot
fun.
of you in it.
Touch wood, yes.
सब
It's,
हो जाएगा, फिर कुलचे भी खाएंगे. I'm also
अरे
waiting to meet you,
कुलचे
कुलचे
खाने
खाएंगे.
यार, मेरे को कुलचे खा. उस दिन
Promise.
पता है मेरे को दिल्ली के तंदूरी मोमोज की इतनी याद आ रही थी. मैंने
Next time.
कुछ भी करा.
Next time पक्का, बस जल्दी I hope we meet, sit across,
Correct.
have an interview. But this is also has been fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you to you.
Thank you so much for doing this, yeah. Best
अरे
actually,
नहीं.
I wanted to meet you after Chichore. आप लोग दिल्ली ही नहीं आए. I was like, I have to meet and speak to him because it was fabulous.
Thank you so much, Pooja ji.
पहली
Thank you
पिक्चर
so
थी,
much.
मैंने 5 out of 5 दिए थे रिव्यू में. सब कह रहे हैं क्यों, कुछ तुम्हारा कनेक्ट है. I just liked it because it resonated, you know.
Correct. No, it's just very beautiful. I think even like my mother, when everyone kind of saw it, even in my family and all that, I think it's just the beautifully how it got connected. Like children connected it, and they told their parents to go watch it because it's important. Parents told their children to go watch it, that it's important. So it was like a film for the entire family to kind of just go, because the message at the end of it, we all shy away from it, and we just have this constant pressure, and of this recognition and validation, and all of this keeps happening. So it's
मैं IAS का एग्जाम दिया था यार, मारी गई थी मैं रिजर्वेशन में, यहाँ आ गई. So I could relate to it. Like my brother also was like, and the characters, each one of us had a sexa. Each one of us had, Pratik's character. Each one of us had Tahir's character. So
acid. A lot of people have acid.
अरे acid बड़े थे हमारे जिंदगी में सबके.
But it's just beautiful. I think this was a magical. I mean, even when we were shooting it, Pooja ji, it was so magical. All of us, and with Nitesh sir, I mean, and Sajid sir, backing it. It was just like a big family. Every one of us were just having fun because we've all lived that life. So it was nostalgic, and we were so happy that we got to shoot. Like, मैं अपनी life में कभी IIT नहीं जा पाता ना वैसे. We were shooting inside IIT. I was like, यार ये सही है. I think चलो IIT भी गया मैं 1-1.5 महीना.
कर लिया आपने IIT. Awesome. But thank you so much, Varun. More power to you. Need to see more comedy with you in it.
Yes, absolutely. And I hope to see you soon in Delhi.
Exactly, with the kulchas and the momos.
Yes. Super.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.